Atatu acio makuire thutha wa kugwirwo ni tiri uria makoretwo magithikuria getha gwaka ruthingo thutha wa nyumba eno. Angi atatu makihonokio na nguraro nini.
Led by the county disaster coordinator Madam Bilha. Tumeweza kuwa hapa tangu saa hiyo, and in the process tuliweza kurescue watu watatu wakiwa hai na watatu wakiwa wamekufa.
No muigana wa aria mauma wira-ini hindi ya kuhobokana kwa ruthingo ruru nduri uramenyekana. Mwene nyumba eno no ri utari uria yumiria akiendekana kwandikithia ndumiriri na maafitha a borithi.
They did not care about their safety. Ama mwenye aliwapatia kazi hakujali kuhusu maisha yao. Kwa hivyo walichimba shimo ikaenda mbali kiasi like 17 feet ambaye it's not normal. Kwa hivyo wakati walikuwa wanachimba ndio mchanga ikawaangukia.
Na aria makoretwo magiikara nyumba-ini ino riu ni moritio mathame gukinyiria utuku wa umuthi. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a ikiranira kuoya makinya ma kugaciria ugitiri wa miako.
Wenye wanaishi kwa hiyo nyumba tafadhali waame leo, sababu sasa hiyo ni nyumba ambayo imetingizwa na hatuwezi tukajua its safety at the moment. Kwa hivyo tunawaambia waame leo na tutahakikisha kwamba wameama leo. Hata kama wana mahali ya kuhamia leo watafute kwa majirani, walale leo wakitafuta manyumba asubuhi.
Andu othe maraka miako thiini wa Murang'a tondu ni kuroneka ni undu wa nature of our soil, ni undu wa tiri witu, ni tungikimoria makorwo make sure ati the safety ya miako ni ratimizwo niguo tutigakorwo na gikuo kingi ta giki.
Itanya ria gwaka ruthingo ruru rirerikana rirari kuhinga hinguro utheri kuri nyumba iria ciri rungu rwa nyumba eno, no thuthuria ni wambikitwo kumenya kiria gicungiriirie mutino uyu.
The person who was doing the modification of the house is about the issue of ventilation he wanted, but I think on the issue of the safety regulations which are regulating the building works, maybe because we are still investigating, I think they were not followed, and we need to establish.
Wedi wa mutaro wa gwaka ruthingo ruru wambiriirie muthi wa gatatu kiumia-ini giki. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.